Hey guys, it's I Love AJ 29. So today I'm gonna open up these little mini brands toys. I love mini brands. I was looking for these the other day. So then you open it with the plastic still on. Then there's another plastic layer. I forgot how you open these again. I want to get like the whole box of mini brands, so whoops. Okay. Now we take this, pull it, just like orange, and here we're gonna open up this one first, which it's already opened. Oh, I don't have the chili. Sweet. I have the little chili, and then we have that. Now we're gonna open up this one. Now then I'll just do a little Vaseline. That's cute. It's in here. Oh, little warheads. I don't have that one for my collection yet. What's in this one? Oh, yum. And I already have that one for that one. So now we're going to open. Ooh, we got a shelf this time. That's cool. It's a little shelf. That is cool. I think that's it for that one. That's cool. Now we're gonna open up this mini brand. I wanna get more of these. These are super duper awesome. These are so satisfying, and a lot of people open up these on their YouTube channel, and I love mini brands, and I want to get more and more and more and more. Okay, now there's a second layer of plastic on these. These mini brands are so awesome, and the perfect size for your dolls. Okay, now we're going to take this and open it. Okay, so now we have our little orange slices. Ooh, they all feel like a bit. Let's open up this. Ooh, mini Vaseline. Vaseline. What's this one? mini spam, which I already have. Mooncakes! Mooncakes! Moon pie! Which I do not have. That's sweet. Then we have a checklist. Moon pies, I don't have that one. That one's brand new. Really? Ooh, that's a different one. And now... Ooh! Real mayonnaise. That's cool. That all of them? That's cool. Now we're gonna put a shelf together. I know how to do it. Okay.